Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you have paired your smartphone to the infotainment screen in the 2022 through 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500s or GMC Sierra 1500s or the 2024 versions of both trucks, HD models, and you need to reset the infotainment screen for some reason, here's how you do it. You don't have to open your hood. You don't have to disconnect the terminals, the battery terminals, and touch them together and do all those steps. You're going to focus right here. All you have to do is hold that button down. And we're just going to give it a few seconds. And what's going to happen is when we let go of the button, the reset process, when we see that screen right there, when that changes, you're going to see everything starts to reset. And that's really all you have to do. Then you'll just watch the screen. It will go through all of the steps. It'll let you know that it's resetting. It's really that simple. Basically, all we have to do now is just wait until this screen goes away. You'll know when it's all done, and then everything has been reset. You can repair your phone. Problem solved. If you have any tutorials you want me to share on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel here on whether it's one of these GM trucks or something else, please let me know down in the comments section.